Welcome. Today we dive into the fascinating world of SEO, a key player in the digital marketplace. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of making your website appealing to search engines. It's like speaking the language of Google, Bing, or any other search engine you can think of. Imagine the internet as a massive library, and search engines are the librarians. In this vast library, SEO is your guide, helping you navigate through countless pages and information. It ensures that your website, the book you've authored, is easy to find and read by the librarians. For businesses, SEO is crucial. It's your ticket to the spotlight, the key to making your website visible and attractive to potential customers. It can mean the difference between your website being a needle in a haystack or the North Star guiding users to your online presence. Now that we've established what SEO is, let's delve deeper into the mechanics of search engines. Ever wondered how search engines like Google determine which sites appear first? Let's unravel this mystery. Search engines are like librarians of the internet. Their job is to find, understand, and organize the internet's vast amount of information to present the most relevant results to your queries. They do this using algorithms, intricate sets of rules that prioritize certain factors over others. The heart of search engine lies in its algorithm. Think of it as the recipe that search engines use to sort through the billions of web pages in their catalog and serve you the most appropriate ones. These algorithms are highly complex and constantly evolving, but they all rely on basic principles. They scan for key signals like how fresh the content is, the number of other sites linking to it, and the relevancy of the page's content to your query. Now let's talk about keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines. They're like the compass that guides the search engine to the most relevant content. When you use relevant keywords in your content, it helps search engines understand what your site is about, making it more likely to be served up when someone searches those terms. But how do search engines find these keywords? This is where the concept of indexing comes in. Indexing is the process of storing and organizing information. When a search engine indexes a website, it's like it's taking a snapshot of every page on the site. It then stores this snapshot in its vast database, ready to be retrieved whenever someone makes a relevant search. Imagine a giant library with billions of books. Without a system to organize and categorize these books, finding the one you want would be a nightmare. That's exactly what search engines do. They index the internet, organizing and categorizing everything so they can quickly find and present the most relevant information to your search. With a basic understanding of search engine operations, we can now look into the process of website optimization. Optimizing your website for search engines is not rocket science, it's a step-by-step process. That's right, it's as simple as learning your ABCs, and in this chapter, we're going to delve into the A and B of website optimization, high-quality content, and keyword research. Think of your website as a book. If the book is filled with dull, monotonous text, would you want to read it? Probably not, right? That's exactly how search engines and your audience feel about your website content. High-quality content is the king in this digital realm. It's what keeps visitors engaged, and more importantly, it's what encourages search engines to rank your site higher. So, how do you create high-quality content? Well, it should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. It should offer something of value, something that answers their queries, solves their problems, or simply entertains them. Now, let's move on to the B of website optimization, keyword research. You see, keywords are like the signpost in your book. They help search engines understand what your content is about, making it easier for them to index your site and serve it to the right audience. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find the right keywords? Well, it's all about understanding your audience. What are they searching for? What kind of language do they use? What are their pain points? Once you have the answers to these questions, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the most relevant and high-performing keywords for your content. But remember, using keywords is not about stuffing them wherever you can. It's about incorporating them naturally into your content in a way that enhances the user experience, not detracts from it. Consider using them in your titles, headers, and meta descriptions, but always in a way that feels organic and meaningful. Quality content and strategic keyword use are only the beginning. Let's continue our journey into website optimization. As we move forward, we'll explore more techniques and strategies to make your website a star performer in search engine rankings. So stick around. Continuing from where we left off, let's explore more ways to optimize your website. Next on our list is the role of meta tags. Meta tags are essentially snippets of text that describe a page's content. They don't appear on the page itself, but on the page's code. Search engines use them to understand what your website is all about. It's like giving them a brief summary of your book's content before they decide to read it. Properly optimized meta tags can significantly boost your website's visibility in search results. Now let's talk about image optimization. Did you know that search engines can't actually see images? They rely on the text associated with the image to understand what it is. So, when you upload an image on your website, make sure to include relevant keywords in the image file name and the alt text. This will help search engines see your images and rank them accordingly. Plus, optimized images load faster, improving your website's overall load time, a key factor in search engine ranking. Last but not least, let's delve into mobile responsiveness. With the majority of internet users accessing the web from their smartphones, it's crucial that your website is mobile-friendly. A mobile-responsive website not only provides a better user experience but also ranks higher in search results. Google, for instance, uses mobile-first indexing. This means it predominantly uses the mobile version of the content for indexing and ranking. So if your site isn't mobile-friendly, you could be missing out on a significant amount of web traffic. In summary, meta tags help search engines understand your content, optimized images improve page load time and readability for search engines, and a mobile responsive design ensures a higher ranking in search results. Website optimization is a comprehensive process, but fear not, each step takes you closer to your goal. We've covered a lot today, let's quickly recap the key points. First, we dove into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO. We learned that it's not just a buzzword, but a crucial aspect of digital marketing that can make or break your online presence. It's the art and science of making your website attractive to search engines, helping your content reach the right people at the right time. Then, we ventured into the inner workings of search engines. We saw that they're not just digital librarians, but intelligent systems that crawl, index, and rank web pages based on hundreds of factors. They're like meticulous detectives, always on the lookout for clues to understand what a page is about and how valuable it might be to users. Next, we rolled up our sleeves and got our hands dirty with website optimization. We examined it in two parts, emphasizing the importance of both on-page and off-page SEO. We learned that on-page SEO is all about optimizing the content and structure of your website, making it easy for search engines to understand what your site is about. It's about keywords, meta tags, and quality content that answers users' questions. On the other hand, off-page SEO involves strategies outside your website to boost its authority and credibility. It's about building quality backlinks, social media engagement, and online reputation management. It's the word-of-mouth marketing of the digital world. But remember, SEO is not a magic wand that gives instant results. It's a strategic game of chess, requiring patience, persistence, and constant tweaking. It's about understanding the ever-evolving algorithms of search engines and adapting your strategies accordingly. So, as we wrap up, don't just think of SEO as a one-off project. It's an ongoing journey of learning, experimenting, and refining. It's about staying committed to delivering valuable content to your audience and making your website a beacon for search engines. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Keep optimizing, keep improving. Until next time, stay ahead in the digital game.